There at the end, you can't imagine the beauty of the lady who guided me to this place. It's a very small place, but you can see MI crypto exchange. The word crypto exchange. The words is coming here. Let me go there and ask. It was mentioning USDT, but there's a word crypto exchange at the top. Okay, but a very nice, good-looking lady. I gave her my card. I was asking there at the clinic. She came and guided me exactly here. Okay, money exchange is also there. Crypto exchange is also there. Nice lady. What is your name?
Marcela.
Marcella and another person. They are very happy now. I transferred $351. 300. Where is it? 351 USDT. On every USDT I get, this is MI crypto exchange at Medellin. This is Abhinandan here. Okay, I transferred 351. I'm getting the cash right now, and see, that is the beauty of earning in USDT. I have made this video. I have, see, 351 I transferred. I can transfer more also, but I don't want so much money right now. I have exchanged $200. I'll explain all these things right now. Okay, this is at MI Divani exchange and MI crypto exchange at Sao Paulo. Sorry, at Sao Paulo Plaza at Medellin, Colombia. Marcela gave me a chocolate. She gave me a chocolate, so I'm giving her my card. This is my card with my number. This is for you, Marcela. You read this completely, both this side. Read it. It is in Spanish language.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to read it.
Gracias.
Okay.
This exchange, okay?
Okay. This is cash exchange.
Yes. This is the 1,322,000, okay?
This is for cash.
Cash the USDT.
This is USDT.
Yes.
Yeah.
Only USDT, okay?
Okay. First.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,372.
Okay. Give me the receipt first. Receipt.
For this, only this.
Okay.
one,
Okay. So this chocolate is more precious. I'll give her one more card. Now here about 1.3 million is there, about $351. Okay. I should not get confused. This is 1 lakh pesos. 1 lakh peso this is. Okay, I have 13 of them. Let me verify. There's no place to sit. 1 minute. See, this is for this one they give you a receipt. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
829.50, okay?
800.
829.
29.50. This is at 3,950.
No.
This is cash.
Cash of 210.
210, but 1 peso is 3,950.
Yes, 3.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
It's the same.
Huh?
The
Same. Thank you.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
829.
800 and 29.50. Okay. Very nice doing business with you. Thank you very much. He says you're welcome. Okay, thank you. Bye. This is at MI Crypto. Now let me go to one place and let me count and explain to you right now. I met this lady. She was very okay. You don't want to be on face? Okay, fine.
No, but on my face, please.
Okay, not okay. She guided me to the metro to the crypto over there, and I'll tell you that. Now, this is how much is a driving license? In how many months you will train?
Depend of the for example, for the car is 1,500,000.
Okay.
The another one is for motorcycle is 999.
Okay, 1 million is about $250. About $250. And what is this course?
Yes, I think.
No, this one.
No, this one is for renewing another one. Like when it expires, you can get another one.
Okay.
It's not for the course.
So, in how many days I can learn the?
1 month ago.
1 month.
1 month.
Okay.
1 month and a half, I think.
Oh, even if you have an international driving license?
Yeah. But you need to get first the Colombian driver license, and then you can get an international driver license.
Okay. I will come and talk to you regarding it because I'll be coming over there. Thank you very much. Okay. So that was the pretty lady who guided me from there outside. She does not want to be on a camera. I was just asking over there outside. Now let me set up everything. So this is Abhinandan. There are some stupid people. I'll call them stupid and I'll send this video to them. Living in India, they tell crypto is for terrorists. Terrorists will use car. Terrorists will use aeroplane also. So you don't use a car and an aeroplane. Okay. So there are people. One lady contacted me. She's doing Oriflame and all. I won't name her, but I will tell her. She says, I don't want to do crypto business because the terrorists use it. I laughed. I blasted. I don't want that such kind of people in my business, but that's why I did not send more information. Let me sit here and make one small video before they come and trouble me and tell me to take something. See, this is Abhinandan in Colombia. Okay? Very nice, pretty people. I gave them my card. Now let me set up everything now and explain to you once again. This is Abhinandan. I'll tell you an interesting story. I had only 2,000 pesos. Only so much with some small change. 2,000 pesos is 44 rupees. This is only I was left with 44 rupees after using all the money. So yesterday, day before yesterday, I searched this MI crypto. In liquid cash, I had only so much. I had in dollars. I had in a dollar amount, I had more than some $500 with me. And here I gave $220 right now to exchange it. This is how much I gave here. 210 I gave. Okay, because it was a round figure of a 2020 note and 50 and 100 notes, 3 notes. I got 8,29,500. In one of this, 8,29,000 is there. Now then in a crypto, okay, this side is crypto. Okay, now I was left only with so much. I had to come and exchange US dollars. Then you know what I did? Oh, I found some more money little. I thought I had only 2,000 pesos. So there was little more, 9,000 pesos was there. Anyhow, only so much was left right now. I thought I'll go exchange with dollars, but then I decided let me try the crypto. Crypto I got, now I showed you that on the other mobile also. I showed it already, but let me explain once again. Repetition is, I got here, sorry, $351. I sent $350 is gone there, huh? $350, she gave her 3,920. Here at US, I just told her give 3,950. I told she increased by 30 pesos more. Okay, that is approximately 60 rupees more. Now I have collected the money right now. Let me tell you some funny thing. Only for just this amount, what is it? $210. Less than $200, you get a rented apartment for one person with Wi-Fi, stay. 1 or 2 people also can say. Less than $200. I'm going to choose this. There's a pretty lady sitting, old ladies are using the laptop. So those who are watching this, if you are skeptical, see, something stops you from talking to Abhinandan. And that is what, no, your mind is cheating you. Let me keep all this inside and then talk. Okay. So I am in some Sao Paulo Plaza over here. You can Google it, but let me tell you something for you. Okay. For those of you who are cheating yourself, there are self-cheaters. See, I just, apart from cash of $210, 351 USDT, I transferred. I got that money of 1.3 million pesos. That will be the same amount. So $1 is 3,920 pesos. Usually it will be 4,000, but they give a little less. So this is at this particular place. So all my friends, there are a lot of my friends who are earning money in crypto, and those who are not earning money in crypto, when Donald Trump today is creating a crypto reserve in America, and I have NRI friends whom I met in Richmond, they are so stupid, what living in USA from 10 years or 20 years, they say, you know what, it is not legal. My God, I thought. Anyhow, same in India also, there are some people. Now I transferred this in Colombia, okay, and I have got the money, local money. I have done like this in Dubai, Singapore, Malaysia, Taiwan, Philippines, Jakarta, Bali, Barcelona, Belgrade, Romania, including Paris, and then in Miami, and now Abhinandan is there in Colombia, the land of eternal springs, the land of beautiful ladies. Okay, and you know what? If you are a self-cheater, excuse giver, time waster, suffer from low self-image, have mental blocks, don't waste your time with Abhinandan. Go join with some donkeys who will tell lies to you and make you to join and make you a donkey working for them. Abhinandan, when you join with just a $50 or $120, okay, $120, don't have an ego. See, I will tell you, there are people in Bank India who will keep smiling nicely, flattering you, and will cheat you behind you. I remember many ladies in 2007 and all, when they used to come to an office, they used to come and tell me, after talking to me, I used to be poker faced, blunt, straightforward, and if they asked me stupid question, I used to say this is a stupid question. They used to get angry. Another guy, I won't name him, let us call him Beggar Ashish. Okay, I will tell why. I'm taking a revenge on that fellow. Now let us imagine these are people smiling very nicely. So the lady used to leave me and go to that person and join the business with the other person. Because, and she used to come and tell me, Abhinandan, I joined with him because he's very smiling and told. After 2 months, she will call me. My number is on, that fellow's number is off. He's taken her for a ride, misled her, misguided her, and vanished. And she says, where is that rascal? Where is that rascal liar? And not in one case, many people's case. It's because I'm confident I am sharing my 18-year-old mobile number, 16-year-old Facebook page. And if you want, when you join one of the 3 businesses of Abhinandan, not one, because the business is small, $50 business, $30 business, second you have to join, then after earning money, $1,100 business, and achieve a simple target for which you have to speak to Abhinandan, then you can travel the world. See, 97% of the people love to travel. 97%, even if they don't have money, they love to travel. 97%. I'm going to the mall over here right now. Okay, inside a shopping mall. 97% people love to travel, first thing, but they don't want to work hard. They don't want to take a risk for $50 or $30. Okay, and they're self-cheaters, time wasters, mental block. There are mental blocks and suffer from low self-image, not confident to speak. I'm showing this. So ways to travel, ways to make money while traveling. WhatsApp me on this number or a Malaysia number. If you love to travel, watch this one video. Ask me for this one video of this girl. She's a Filipino girl. Done a beautiful video. Okay, my number is there. Other people don't give their numbers. Okay, they will act so stupid to give their numbers. I give my number everywhere. I print this thousands of cards freely from Miami library. I've got it. Okay, and I'm giving. See here, it is in Spanish language. This is in Spanish language, explained very nicely. All the points. There will be 1 out of 10 people who will be business minded. Yesterday I went for a exhibition. There are some potential people who have contacted me. Always there are 1 out of 100 people who are dynamic like Abhinandan or Elon Musk or like Donald Trump. So now, if you are very keen, speak to me 3 or 4 times. I'll give you my India number or WhatsApp number. This is my USA WhatsApp number. This is my USA WhatsApp number. There's somewhere my Malaysia number. I will open my Malaysia number. You have already seen that. Visit my Facebook page and speak to Abhinandan. And don't tell stories you want to make study and research. Tell me, Abhinandan, I have $50. I have $120. Okay, $50 about 4,600 rupees. Or 4,700 in USDT at 91 rupees one USDT. 91 rupees one USDT. If you are getting it, is fine. I know many people will get frightened for my language. See, people hate Donald Trump, but he ultimately won. Why? Donald Trump is a very honest person. Actually, he makes money. He makes his money, he is very this one, but he's straightforward. He's brutal in his words. So some people don't like him, but he came back to power. But anyhow, for those of you who like to travel the world, if you like to come to Medellin, Colombia, make money, travel, work, so start with at least 50. You want to start with $1,100, it is good. But after that, you have to take with $50 also, $30. Don't say I'm not interested in that. And then there are people who say, no, I'm very busy with multiple business. Then they call me. So I have a bunch of liars. I made a list of more than 50 plus. Put self-cheaters, time waster list. Self-cheater and time waster list. So I leave from here right now. Okay, now I'm relaxed. For another 1 month, I don't have to worry. If you pay $200, about 17,000 rupees, you are getting an accommodation for 1 month. In USA, how much I have to pay? $800. 65,000 rupees per month. Here it is only 17,000 rupees and very good fruits. Fruit I told. Very good food here. So now let me stop right now, go inside the mall over here. There's a supermarket, just watch. There's a old traditional market. Now I have local cash in my pocket. Okay, now tomorrow I have to find a new place. Thank you very much. This is Abhinandan. Contact and speak on this.